I just want to hop in that water. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. It's hot as freak out here, man.
It is.
Like, look at that water though. Beautiful. Alright guys, it's the day that I'm leaving this bad boy. It's early in the morning. It's around 5:45, 6-ish. My bus leaves at 7:30, so I gotta get moving. So, it's time. Let's do this. This thing's heavy. Oh, I got you already. It's too late. What's up, my man? Alright, guys, so I'm up at this come and go here gas station, getting ready to get some coffee before I leave to Rohan. I'm gonna go medium. Alright, let's see. They got chocolate raspberry, Colombian, hazelnut, house blend dark, roast, Colombian again. I'm gonna have to go with nigga I'm tired as freak, dark roast. I think I'm gonna do like just a small of that. Dark roast, small, leave room for cream. They grind the beans from this into that. Here we go, Rohan. Anyways, our next stop is Walmart, so I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we made it to St. Louis, Missouri. You see I got my shit right here. I got my stuff with me in my backpack. Yeah, you gotta watch your back around here. Remember the last time we came to St. Louis, some dude was following us? But yeah, we're on our way, guys. More pictures and videos to come. Still waiting in St. Louis, guys. 2 hours. We gotta stand here in this bullshit. St. Louis, guys. Home of the St. Louis Blues. So here we are, guys. St. Louis, Missouri. I got a 2-hour layover here, as you guys can see. So I'm just sitting here waiting for the bus. I think my bus is already here. I just gotta wait. Check out that building over there, guys. Really tall. An enterprise center, by the way. That's where the Blues play right there, guys. Sorry. Not trying to get in your way. Sorry about that. Alright, so Enterprise Center, State Stanley Cup champions. Blue buoyed, guys. Of Rohan, alright? Alright guys, we made it to Evansville, Illinois. Or not Illinois. We're in Indiana, that's all I know. Yeah, so guys, I want you guys to check it out. Check out the scene right now. Some lady got left on the, she got left behind at another state because she didn't get on the bus in time. I'm not trying to have that happen, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. Check it out, guys. It's not bad. Doesn't look much different. I mean, it's a little bit more city-like. But yeah. This is Indiana, my friends. So I still have another day to go, a whole nother day, well, half of a day, and the rest of tonight. So we got some places to go, people to see. See you there. Birmingham, Alabama. We are no longer in Rohan, my friends. We are in the city of Birmingham. The Birmingham Raiders of Alishkin. I just made that up totally. Train. So here we are, guys. We're in Birmingham, Alabama. It is approximately, let's see what time it is. It is 2:12 in the morning. Finally, it is 2:12 in the morning. I'm due to be meet up with Trey around, I don't know, 6 o'clock. So yeah, sitting here, we're on our way, we're doing our thing, whatever. It's been a pretty fruitful ride. It's been pretty nice. I like it. Now we're on our way. And I mean, it's pretty dead around here. Literally. It's pretty dead right now. I don't know, maybe it's because it's like 2 in the morning, but. Oh, I know what it is. I'm just saying, they have that shit?
Yeah, that's one
Make this quick vlog. So we're stuck in Alabama for 2,000 hours.
I reckon.
Let's see. This all began, long story short, yesterday, last night, we're supposed to get on a bus. The bus driver, the asshole bus driver, didn't call or anything, didn't show up. So we got stuck out there till 4 in the morning. We missed our transfer, and now I'm not gonna get there till in the morning. I'm gonna be very tired. Actually, I'm gonna get there in the afternoon, like around 11, which is fine. Because what time does Universal Studios open? Like 11, 10, 11, 9 maybe? I don't know. 9 o'clock? So I'd say 9, 10. So I'd miss about a couple of hours of Universal Studios, but that's okay. I'd rather do that than... Oh, are we?
Yeah.
Are we supposed to be going to the right?
Yeah, I guess.
This guy's giving us false directions.
Yes, that's your life.
Alright, we're on our way to Waffle House right now. And I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. So after all that bullshit, long story short, there's a truck coming there. Long story short, we got to wait till we gotta wait till weird ass traffic lights. Just weird. They're way down there, but anyways. Oh, so weird ass traffic lights. But yeah, so now we gotta wait till 2 o'clock, and then we're not gonna get to Tallahassee till later on this evening and all that. So yeah, I'll get you guys some good little footage of out here. Huh? Yeah, fuck it, man.
We're already lost.
Yeah, I thought we were supposed to go this way, but we're supposed to go this way.
Yeah,
I guess.
lost at a one-way street.
Let me see. Where are we now?
We are there.
What's the name of the place we're going to? Waffle House?
Okay.
Here,
So
I can pull it up. It's easy.
I don't know why he told me that. He told me to take a right to go to the gas station. Take a left to go to Waffle House.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Maybe he meant the opposite direction or something. Waffle House. .5 miles. I want that one. Get you guys a little footage of this shit. All right, so 3 minutes away. Yeah, we just keep going straight. Go across this thing right here.
I know it's Fifth Street because but I couldn't figure out what the hell Fifth Street was.
I got my bigger camera too. I want to take some pictures, man, but I got a lock on my bag. I got to do all this unlocking shit just to get the, you know, I'd rather be safe than sorry though, honestly. You know what I mean? There's a sucky ass Greyhound station. It looks big, but it's really not.
It's really not.
It's really not. It's very shitty looking. Yo, so guys, we're walking down the road and we came across this. This is awesome. Go ahead and get it. No, I was playing. Nah, you can't do that with this camera. But yeah, look at this shit, guys. Huh? This heavy camera right here. That's pretty tight, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get up in there in just a second. Best believe. All right. So we went and ate at Waffle House. It's very delicious. Now we're at the riverfront downtown, something Alabama. Yeah, Montgomery, Alabama. And check it out, guys. I'm gonna get some photos of this too. It's really nice out here. Check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. Huh? Oh yeah, there's a stage over there. You know, the grass. People sit on the grass and stuff. The train station's up there. But yeah, real quick, I just want you guys to see this. What is it?
Those are just stairs for stupidly tall people.
Oh, okay.
We got this ball.
I just want to hop in that water. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. It's hot as freak out here, man.
It is.
Like, look at that water though. Beautiful.
Oh, that's the TV screen he was talking
Okay,
about.
beautiful.
That's what that is.